Hey guys, Eddie Case here. Hey, I wanted to show you something here today. For years I've been touting the old Plumb bob for plumbing my walls. If you've seen a lot of my videos, if you watch any of my framing videos, you know for years I used my Plumb bob. Alright, a string and a Plumb bob to plumb the lines on my floor up to the ceiling so that I have perfectly plumb walls, straight up and down. Well, I finally broke down and bought a laser level. You know, I've known about them for years, and I've used them for other applications. I've just never used them in the basement because I thought they'd be more of a hindrance than they would be good. You know, with all the stuff in the way down here, I just figured it's going to be really tough to set up a laser, but I couldn't have been more wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this laser. I bought a green laser. They make a red laser too. The green laser is actually much more visible in the basement, or anywhere for that matter. It's a brighter light. Now we've already snapped our lines on the floor. All we're doing is we're transferring the floor lines up to the floor joist. That way we'll have perfectly plumb walls. So let me show you how I'm setting up this laser, what type it is, and how much easier, and I've been doing this for 35 years, how much easier a laser level makes plumbing your walls. Okay, so like I said, we already had the lines snapped on the floor. You can see down there we've got our red chalk lines going down all of our walls the whole way around the basement. So the layout on the floor is done. So what I wanted to show you is how we're going to get these lines on the floor up to the bottom of the floor joist. Now normally we would Plumb bob. We drop our Plumb bob down and we'd have the tip of our Plumb bob dangling over the string, and then the guy at the top on the ladder would just go up there and he'd just mark the top of the string. But what we have now is we have a laser, and all you have to do, this is the laser, it's self-leveling. You just now here's my red line on the floor. What you want to do is you want to take the laser over to the red line, all right, and line up the laser, the green line with the red line, and shoot that laser down your floor line that you snapped on the floor. All right, you just want to make sure that it's touching the red line the whole way down. Get that set up here. All right, so now my green line's on my red line. We'll go up this end here, and you can see at the end down here that the green line is just an extension of my red line. It's projecting up onto the ceiling, and right up there where you see it crossing over the floor joist, that's where you're going to make your pencil mark. All right, and that laser goes the whole way down to the other end. All right, so up this end down here, you just go up there, and you can see right there where we made our crow's foot up there. Alright, now all we have to do is turn the laser off and snap a line from that crow's foot there down to the other end, and then we'll have a perfectly plumb line on the ceiling, and it'll match our red line, our wall line on the floor perfectly. And I've been doing it with a Plumb bob for 25 years, and nothing's better than gravity in a Plumb bob. You're going to have a perfectly, Mother Nature and gravity will pull that tip down. You'll have a perfectly plumb wall if you put your Plumb bob tip on the floor and mark the string at the top. But that takes about, I'm going to say this is at least half as quick, again, from the old Plumb bob method. So I did pay, I believe, $175 for this laser, but I can use it for hanging cabinetry in kitchens and bathrooms. I can use it to hang like towel bars. I can use it to, I can level my concrete with it. And the green laser you can actually use outside as well for landscaping, for setting up like fence posts and things like that. It's awesome for that type of work too. Decking, deck rails, anything where you need a level line. Let me get the name of this level here for you, this laser level. Okay, so there it is, HUEPAR. You can see it's got the rotating laser at the top and on the side, okay? What's nice about this particular one is it'll give you a vertical and a horizontal line. I can show you right over there on the wall. Okay, it's self-leveling, all right? And there it's giving you a perfectly horizontal line and a perfect vertical line. All right, or you can switch it on and off here by the button at the top. You can turn it on so it's just, you know, the vertical, or the horizontal rather, or just the vertical if you're doing tile or something like that, or anything that you want straight up and down, and it'll give you both at the same time. All right, so again, that's HUEPAR, I'm going to say, HUEPAR, hope I'm saying that right, and it's the green line laser. Awesome for taking all these wall lines for your entire basement project. You can just lay it all out on the floor first, get all your wall lines, turn that laser on, and shoot all your lines straight up to the ceiling. Alright, so I'm Eddie Case. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, it helps out our channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the Basement Finishing Man YouTube channel yet, please do. I got a lot more good basement finishing ideas and videos coming your way. I'll see you in the next video.